Good morning, dear children. How are you? Today's our new theme is great disasters. Learning objectives. Understand specific information and detail and texts on a range of familiar, general, and curricular topics. Listen objectives. All learners will be able to use the growing variety of future forms, including present continuous. So, peoples, what is natural disasters? Natural disasters will be avalanche, tsunami, flood, drought, lightning, and earthquake. So, peoples, listen and repeat the new words. Listen and read. Great disasters.
Great disasters. The Great Fire of London, 1666. The Great Fire of London is one of the most well-known disasters in history. The fire began on the 2nd of September 1666 in Tom Farriner's bakery in Pudding Lane. He was a baker to King Charles II. It lasted 4 days and burnt down over 13,000 houses. People lived in houses made of wood and straw that were close together, so the fire spread very quickly. Samuel Pepys, one famous diarist, and his men managed to put out the last fire on the 6th of September. Sir Christopher Wren designed a monument to remind people of the Great Fire of London. It stands near where the fire started. The Kebin Earthquake, 1911. The south of Kazakhstan is located on a seismic active zone, so the area has had many powerful earthquakes. In 1911, the Kebin earthquake almost completely destroyed the city of Almaty. It happened on the 3rd of January, and over 770 buildings collapsed in the city. Many historic buildings were damaged, but one famous building survived. It was the Ascension Cathedral in Panfilov Park. At 54 meters high, it remains one of the tallest wooden buildings in the world. Amazingly, it survived even though there aren't any nails in the entire building.
So, peoples, we do the tasks. The first task: mark the statements true, false, and doesn't see. The first, the Kebin earthquake was the first earthquake in southern Kazakhstan. The second, over 700 buildings in Almaty survived the earthquake. The third, people built the Ascension Cathedral without nails. The fourth, the Great Fire of London started in a bakery. The fifth, the Great Fire of London lasted a week. The sixth, the Samuel Pepys was a rich man. So, write answers. Check your answers. The Kevin earthquake was the first earthquake in southern Kazakhstan. False sentence. The second, over 700 buildings in Almaty survived the earthquake. False sentence. The third, people built the Ascension Cathedral without nails. True sentence. The fourth, the Great Fire of London started in a bakery. True sentence. Fifth, the Great Fire of London lasted a week. False sentence. The Samuel Pepys was a rich man. Doesn't see. So peoples, our next task, fill in with collapsed, avalanche, massive hurricane, and choked. The first, the skies got traffic in A or N. The second, some buildings in the town. The third, the town was damaged by the fourth, this violent movie, Me. The fifth, I was horrified when I saw the wave coming towards us. So, write answers. Check your answers. The skies got traffic in an avalanche. The second, some buildings in the town collapsed. The third, the town was damaged by the hurricane. The fourth, this violent movie shocked me. The fifth, I was horrified when I saw the massive wave coming towards. Okay, so peoples, your home task. Find information about the disaster that happened in your country. Use these headings: type of disaster, time, location, and effects. Goodbye, children. See you soon.